Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-DM502 Bluetooth stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your stereo is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it is not pairing or syncing with your devices, or if you're having any sound issues or it seems to be frozen or not responding, anything like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again, repair it with your devices, etc., because everything will be wiped off and it will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling it or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start and have it like it was when it came out of the box, we can do this quite easily. All we need to do is, first of all, we're going to turn it off and then we're going to unplug it. And then once it's unplugged, we need to wait at least 30 seconds. And after that 30 seconds is up where it's been off and unplugged, then we can come in and press and hold the power button. And then we're going to hold the power button for a couple seconds, after which we can plug our stereo back in, all the while continuing to press and hold the power button. And we're going to do that until we see eventually on this display, it will just show up with a bunch of dashes all across the display, at which point we can let go of the power button and allow it to finish booting up in its factory default settings.